Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my most preferred way of making egusi soup. These are the ingredients I'm using for the recipe. I'll list them in the description box. Kindly check them out. Let's get into the video. I'll start by mixing my egusi. To the egusi I will add some chopped onions and a little water, and I'll mix this into a paste and set aside while I cook my meat. I'll be seasoning the meat with onion, salt, and seasoning powder. I'll give this a good mix. I'll cover to steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll be adding in water enough to cook the meat until it's very soft. After 20 minutes, my meat is ready, and I'll be adding in the rest of the ingredients. I'll add in some stockfish, Ponmo, blended Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll give this a good mix and allow to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will add my palm oil, some dried prawns, Bonga fish, crayfish powder, and some fish powder. I'll give this a good mix before adding the egusi paste. I'll add in the egusi paste in little sizes until I exhaust everything in the bowl. I'll rinse in the remaining egusi in the bowl with some water, and I'll cover this to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will give this a good mix. If it's too dry, you can add in some water. Taste and adjust seasoning. Afterwards, I'll be adding in my vegetable. For the vegetable, I'll be using ugu. You can decide to use any vegetable of choice. I'll give this a good mix and allow to cook for a minute or two. Then our egusi soup is ready. Thank you for watching. A big thank you to all my subscribers. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.